Hi guys, today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do bleach t-shirts with sublimination. It's actually pretty quick and easy. These particular shirts are the Gildan Softstyles. The heather colors are the ones that work with bleaching. You get the solid ones, they do not bleach very well, so they have to be the heather colors. We have our bleach. I just used the Dollar General Brand Bleach splashless. What I use for my spray is an old Febreze bottles. These ones actually mist really well, so these are the ones that I particularly like to use. And then I'm also going to show you guys how to do with the paintbrush. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I don't get bleach onto the back of my shirts, I actually put my shirts on cardboard just to keep things from not transferring. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Spray one. So we're just going to take our spray bottle and we're just going to spray the area where we're going to put our print. And if you want big drops, just do slow squeezes. We're going to do a combination of the spray bottle and we're going to do a brush. What we're going to do is first is we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our random splashes with the spray bottle. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to take a bowl, and this is a cheap paintbrush that I got at Walmart. It was like $2 for a pack of 3 of them or something. We're just going to put a little bleach into our bowl. Brush it on. See, it's already starting to turn. So what we're going to do is we're actually just going to go ahead and let this sit in the sun for about, since it is nice and bright out, about 15 to 20 minutes, and let it do its thing. Alright guys, as you can see in the sun, it changes pretty quick and they get pretty bright. I'm going to touch up this one, but this one is pretty much ready to go. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're actually going to spray it with peroxide to neutralize the bleach. If you let the bleach sit too long on clothing, it will eat through the fabric, and that's how you get holes and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and neutralize it with peroxide, and then we're going to throw it into a cold rinse and tumble dry low.